A lot of people think high blood sugar is only about eating too much sugar, but that's not how it really works. Blood sugar stay high because of what's happening inside the body, not just what's on the plate. So today I want to explain why blood sugar stay high in a simple way that actually makes sense. When we eat food, especially carbohydrates, the body breaks food down into glucose. Glucose is sugar, and sugar is energy. That sugar moves into the bloodstream so the body can use it. Sugar itself is not bad. The body actually needs it to survive. Insulin is a hormone made by the pancreas. Think of insulin like a key and your cells like doors. Insulin's job is to unlock the doors so sugar can move from the bloodstream into the cells for energy. When insulin works the right way, blood sugar goes down because sugar leaves the bloodstreams and enter the cells. In diabetes, one or two things happen. Either the body doesn't make enough insulin or the body doesn't respond to insulin the way it should. When that happens, sugar can't get into the cells. So instead of being used for energy, the sugar stay in the bloodstream and blood sugar levels stay high. At first, the body tries to adjust. People may not feel symptoms right away, so high blood sugar can go unnoticed for a long time. High blood sugar isn't random and it's not about willpower. It's about how the body processes sugar. Understanding what's happening inside the body help people protect their health long term. That's why regular checkups and blood work are so important.